In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable, disable, add, or remove COM add-ins in Microsoft Excel. Whether you're looking to streamline your workflow or need specific functionalities, managing add-ins can make a big difference in how effectively you use Excel. Let's dive in and take this step by step. First, you'll need to start by opening Excel, and once you're there, head over to the File tab located at the very top left corner of your screen. Clicking on this will take you into the Backstage view of Excel, presenting you with a variety of options related to your document and Excel settings. Now scroll down through this menu and locate the Options button. This is where you'll find the settings to customize your Excel experience. After clicking Options, an Excel Options window will pop up. This window is essentially where you can modify a lot of different settings to tailor Excel to your needs. Here, you'll want to look at the list on the left-hand side and choose Add-ins. This section is dedicated entirely to managing the different add-ins you have available within Excel. At the very bottom of this window, you'll see a field or drop-down marked Manage. Ensure that this drop-down says COM Add-ins. If it doesn't happen to show this option, click on the drop-down menu and select COM Add-ins from the list. Then click the Go button right next to it. This will bring up a new window where you can see all the different COM add-ins available to you, and it's from here that you can make the necessary changes. Now let's talk about what you can do here. If you want to enable an add-in, all you simply need to do is check the box next to the add-in you wish to activate. Conversely, to disable an add-in, you just uncheck the box. It's that straightforward. Disabling an add-in doesn't remove it from your system. It merely turns off its functionalities until you decide to use it again. Wondering how to remove a COM add-in that you no longer need? Simply select the add-in by clicking on it and then click the Remove button. I want to give you a quick heads up. When you choose to remove an add-in, Excel won't ask for a confirmation, so that action is immediate. Just make sure that you truly want to remove it before taking this step. Once you've made your selections, whether enabling, disabling, or removing those add-ins, click OK at the bottom of the window to apply all your changes. And there you have it. In just a few simple clicks, you've managed the COM add-ins in Excel to better suit your needs. If you found this tutorial helpful, please feel free to like, comment, or even subscribe for more useful content. Thanks for watching and have an amazing day exploring what Excel can do for you.